Hey everyone, Tara Melton here, and today I'm going to be showing you a new exporting capability added into Axiom 4.6. Now in version 4.6, we've added an additional export type, which is the ability to export geolocational data in KML format. Within Axiom Examine, you can actually view that geodata as map points by switching to World Map View in the drop-down here on the right-hand side. So you can see that the artifacts that have geopoints get plotted out in this world map view. So we have some locations here in the US, also over in Norway, but this does require an internet connection. So if you don't have that, or if you have a need to export some of those map points from your case, say to load them into another mapping tool within your lab environment like Google Earth or ArcGIS, you can now easily export them into a KML file and upload them into an external program of your choice. So I'm going to actually switch back over to column view. And to do that, you just go up to the File menu and say Create Export Report. And when I click on that, you can see all of our different exporting and reporting format types that we have available for you. And here at the bottom, we have that new KML export. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And when I hit next, you can see that there's multiple options in exporting that geolocational data. If you wanted all the artifacts with geodata in your case to be exported to that KML, you can select that first one at the top. You can also do subsets of your artifacts with geodata. If you only wanted the items in your current view or only selected items, you're able to select that as well. And I've actually tagged some items with geodata that I found of interest in my case, so I'm going to go ahead and select that, and you can see in the drop-down menu, you're able to choose which tags in your case you export to that report. So I'm going to go ahead and select that and export that from my case, and when I hit save, you can see at the bottom it's going ahead and doing that KML export. And I actually have that KML file loaded into Notepad++, so you can kind of see what that format looks like. It looks pretty much like an XML file, but it does have some additional descriptors here that you can see. We have the coordinates in there. And what I wanted to point out is that it does identify which artifacts it's being pulled from. So when you map that out into your other program, you're going to be able to see that. So I have it loaded into Google Earth here installed on my local workstation. And you can see the different artifacts that these were plotted from, and I can even drill into each of these data points and get additional information from that KML so you can see exactly which picture or artifact this was plotted from. So hopefully you find this useful in your lab workflows. We know this is a much requested item, so we hope you find it useful, and please let us know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks for watching, everyone.